Hello students, I hope you all are doing great and taking good care of yourself. So today I'm back again with another refreshing topic, that is reproduction in animals. Kids, you all know that all living things grow. They become old and then die. They produce young ones like themselves so that the life on the earth can continue. The process by which living beings produce one of their own kind is called reproduction. All living things have the ability to reproduce. So today we will be learning about how animals reproduce. Animals reproduce in two ways. On the basis of the ways in which they reproduce, we can divide them into two types. Some animals such as hens, fish and frogs lay eggs, from which young ones come out. These are called egg-laying animals. Some animals such as cats, dogs, tigers give birth to young ones and feed them with their own milk. Such animals are called mammals. Animals that lay eggs. Many animals such as birds, frogs, snakes and insects lay eggs. Let us see how babies hatch from eggs and become adults. Most birds build nests to lay eggs. The female bird lays the eggs. In the center of the egg is a yellow portion called the yolk. At its top is the developing baby called the embryo. The yolk also contains food for the embryo. Surrounding the yolk is a white portion called the albumin. It protects the embryo and provides water and protein to it. After the eggs are laid, one of the parent birds, usually the mother, sits on them to keep them warm. This is called incubation. The baby birds start growing inside the eggs. After a few weeks, when the baby birds are fully developed, they break, open the shell and come out. The parent birds feed and protect the young birds until they can look after themselves. Now let's see the life cycle of a frog. A female frog lays many eggs at a time in ponds or other water bodies. These egg clusters are called spawns. When the eggs hatch, tiny fish-like bodies with tail come out. They are called tadpoles. They swim in water and eat. They look very different from adult frogs. They undergo several changes called metamorphosis. After a few weeks, they develop legs and gradually the tail disappears. After a few days, the young frog becomes the adult frog. Let's learn about the life cycle of a butterfly. Butterflies go through 4 stages in their life cycle before becoming adults. The female butterfly lay eggs in clusters on the underside of a leaf. The eggs hatch in young ones called larvae. They look like worms. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. The caterpillar eats leaves and grows quickly. It then forms a shell called a cocoon around its body. This stage is called pupa. The pupa slowly changes its shape and finally comes out of the cocoon to become an adult butterfly. All insects lay eggs. Many of them go through several stages before they become adults. Now let us see the life cycle of a cockroach in 3 stages. An adult cockroach lay eggs. After some weeks, the eggs hatch into young cockroach called nymph. The nymph sheds its skin several times and changes into an adult cockroach. The shedding of old skin is called molting. Let us learn about reptiles. Reptiles like snakes, turtles, lizards and crocodiles lay their eggs on the ground. Their eggs are protected by the shells. The eggs are warmed by the heat of the sun, and the shell of their eggs are not very hard. Most of these animals do not care for their eggs or babies. Some of these are eaten by other animals. Now let us learn the animals that give birth to babies. Tigers and human beings are examples of mammals. The main features of these animals are the young ones grow inside the body of the mother for many weeks. When they are born, the mother takes care of them and feeds them her milk and protects them until they become independent. So I hope kids this information is quite useful for you. Now it's your turn to explore something interesting. Take one egg, boil it and gently crack its outer white shell. Then cut the egg in two parts. You will be able to see the white part of the egg and its yellow part, that is yolk. So till then, keep exploring and all the best.